Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to HMS Tech Tip. In our today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the size of text in your Windows 10. Before we start, please subscribe the channel and give a like to the video. So let's get into the video. At first, you have to go to the settings. Okay, click the start icon, then go to settings. You will come to this page, then go to system. Here you will find display settings. Go down and here you can see scale and layout, and this is the option of change the size of text, apps and other items. And if you find 150%, and this is the default size of text. If you want to change it, click here. Okay, I want to make bigger the text size, so for this way I am clicking here, and you can see the text size has become much bigger. But you have to remember one thing, that some apps won't respond to scaling changes until you close and reopen them. And you can also decrease the size of it, and here you can see the text size has become much smaller. So this is how you can change the text size of apps and other items of Windows 10. You can also change the display resolution in your Windows 10. For this way, click here, and this is the default resolution, and it is 1920 into 1080, and this is recommended. You can change it if you want, and you can also change the display orientation here. And here you can see this is landscape mode, and all the desktop and PCs has the landscape mode. If you want to change here, you can try them. So that's our today's video. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to give a like, do comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.